Hello and welcome, my name is Rana and you're watching Selldone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful contact us page for your store. So let's get started. To add a dedicated page as Contact Us, I choose Setting and then Menu. In the footer section I add Contact Us. Well, now I refresh the store page and see that this option has been added. I click on the Page and Contact Us section to create this page. Here I can write my own desirable content. I wrote my descriptions in a Word Office file previously, so I copy and paste them in here. If you tend to make your page more attractive, you can employ the designing and writing tools in Selldone. Here I click on the footer down the page and enter the Contact Us page. You can see the added content here. Finally, at these places, you can ask and find answers to your questions. Subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos.